Hi friends, how's it going today? Excellent. Thank you for joining me for lesson 12 so that we can continue with this lesson. Today, in day 5, we'll be taking on the crossword puzzle. It's a fun one. So make sure that you have this crossword for today's lesson. You'll find this crossword in book 5. Great. First, I want to remind you that when we complete a crossword puzzle, we use a pencil, because if we make a mistake, we can erase it and fix it. Also, write only in capital letters. That's just the rules of a crossword. Great. Now, let's read the instruction. Review. Crossword puzzle. Solve the crossword puzzle by studying the clues and filling in the answer boxes. So here are the answer boxes and here are the clues. The number after a clue is the lesson the word is from. So we're finding words from lesson 9, 10, 11, and 12, from 9 to 12. So if you have word lists 9, 10, 11, and 12, that will help you. Great stuff. Now, let's begin with the crossword. You can see some clues say clues across, so those are for boxes that go across, and clues down. They fill in the boxes that go down. Great. Let's begin with number 1. Number 1 goes across. Not often. Not often. Which word means the same as not often from lesson 12? Seldom. It fits. Seldom. Number 2, it goes down. To keep away from. This is a word from lesson 10. To keep away from. It starts with an E. Evade. Evade is to keep away from. Great. Next, number 3, which goes down. Number 3 down. Tightly packed, crowded close together. This is a word from lesson 9. It starts with D. Dense. Tightly packed, crowded close together. It's dense. Great. Next, it's number 4, which goes across. Number 4. Tied ball game goes into what innings? A tied ball game goes into which innings? This is a difficult one. I think this is about baseball. Baseball. So this is a baseball terminology. I don't know baseball, but I know the word is extra. Extra innings. So the word is extra. Next, number 5. Violent storm. Violent storm. From lesson 12. It starts with a T. Tempest. A tempest is a violent storm, remember? Next, number 6, which goes down. Number 6, down. To go to a higher level. To go to a higher level from lesson 11. The word starts with A. Ascend. To ascend is to go to a higher level. Ascend. Next, number 7, which goes across and down. Let's begin with 7, across. To chase after. To chase after someone is to pursue. I made a spelling mistake. That's why we use pencils. See, it is P-U. Pursue. There we go. Pursue is to chase after. And 7, down is to go on after stopping for a while. To go on after stopping for a while is to, it starts with P. To proceed is to go on after stopping. Proceed. Next up, it's number 8. Number 8 goes down. To fly high in the sky. To fly high in the sky, it starts with S. Is to soar. To fly high in the sky is to soar. Next, number 9, which goes across. To walk in a relaxed, unhurried manner. To walk in a relaxed way. Number 9 is to saunter. Great. And it matches with 2, 3, and 7 down. So we know it's correct. Saunter. Next, number 10. To copy closely from lesson 9. To copy closely. Number 10. To copy someone is to mimic them. Mimic. That's correct. Copy is to mimic. Number 11, which goes across. To prepare, to make ready for a shock. To prepare, to make ready for a shock. If someone's going to hit your arm, you starts with a B. Brace. Perfect. Brace. Brace. Number 12. Number 12. It's right here. Number 12 goes down. Opposite of subtract. So subtract is to take away. What is the opposite of subtract? Add. You add and subtract. Next up, number 13. Number 13, here it is. Number 13, to keep within certain limits from lesson 12. To keep within certain limits is to restrict. To restrict something is to keep it within certain limits. You can have a time restriction when you write a test. So that means you're not allowed to go over a certain amount of time. If there is 1 hour time restriction That means you cannot go for longer than 1 hour. Next, it's number 14, which goes across and down. So first, number 14, across. Opposite of under. Not under, so you go under the fence. If you do the opposite, you go over the fence. Now number 14, down. Here we go. Past the time set of arrival. So past the time set of arrival. If you say that you will be there at 1 p.m., but you only arrive 1:30 p.m., you are, it starts with O, overdue. If the bus arrives past the time set for arrival, it arrives overdue. Great. Now number 15. To name or address as an honor. To name or address as an honor. It's from lesson 12, right? Dedicate. To name or to address as an honor is to dedicate something. I dedicate this book that I wrote to my mom. I dedicate this victory to my teammates. Something like that. Number 16, number 15, down. Number 15, down. It starts with D. We know that now. To give orders is to do what? To give orders. To tell people what to do is to dictate. To dictate is to give orders. We got it. Next, it's number 16, which goes down. To get in touch with. It starts with C. To get in touch with, from lesson 11. Contact. To contact someone is to get in touch with them. Next, number 17. Number 17 goes across. To stop for a while before going on. From lesson 9. To stop for a while before going on. Let's see. It starts with S. Suspend. To suspend something is to stop for a while before going on. If you are suspended from school for a week, you cannot go to school for a week, but then after that you can go to school again. So you stop for a while before you go on. Number 18 next. Number 18 goes down. Planet known for its rings. Ooh, I know this one. Planet known for its rings. It starts with an S. Saturn. Saturn has many rings, ice rings and stuff. It's very interesting. Go look it up. It's a planet in our solar system, Saturn. Next, number 19. The state of being enslaved, from lesson 10. I remember this one. Bondage. Bondage is the state of being enslaved. Next, number 20, which goes down. Opposite of sad. Opposite of sad. Where is number 20? Can you find it? Ooh, it starts with G. I think it's glad. The opposite of sad is glad. Glad is happy about something. Next, number 21. To give to a fund or cause. To give to a fund or cause. If you give money or dog food to an animal shelter, then what do? It starts with D. Donate. You donate when you give to a fund or cause. Next, it's number 22, which goes across. A building where aircraft are kept. I remember this one. Number 22, a building where aircraft are kept. Is a hangar. A hangar is a place where aircraft are kept. Next, number 23, across. It covers the floor. It covers the floor. 23, and it starts with C. Carpet. It fits. Carpet. It covers the floor. Next, number 24. One who watches an activity from lesson 9. So if you watch a sports game, you are a spectator. If you watch a soccer match, you are a spectator. And there you have it, friends. We're all done with this crossword puzzle. Have a look. Did we go over any boxes? Do we have any empty boxes? We shouldn't have. That means all the answers are correct. This crossword really helps you with your spelling and to implement the words you've learned. Friends, this is the end of today's lesson. Remember to join me next in day 6. In day 6, we'll be taking on test 12. With test 12, we will finish lesson 12. So bring along test 12 and join me in day 6. Can't wait to see you there. Bye for now, friends. See you next time. Bye.